Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to adjust a motion sensor light switch. This is by Casa. I have the model in the description. And so this is in a restroom, and I did this a few months ago where I don't want my guests in my powder room to be looking for the light. It should just turn on automatically, which is a great idea. But I noticed that it's been turning off too fast or it's too quickly. So found out that actually I can adjust the time of it. And also there was a lot of new other features that I did not know it exists. So I'm going to show you how to adjust the time of how long does the light turn on and remain on before it turns off. So first thing that you need to do is remove the plate if you already installed it like I did. And then what you need to do here is just slightly lift on the right side right here. So this is pretty easy. The hinge is on the left side right here. I may have actually installed this backward. I think some people may have it up where the sensor is at the bottom, but I have it where it is like this, and I just turn it to the left and remove that, and it'll expose all these settings. There's 3 dials, and the first dial is the one that I'm interested in. I need to switch it from 0. I know it's probably hard to see. So the setting that I'm on right now is basically at 30 seconds, which is way too fast. So I would like to set it to 1 instead of 0, and that will allow my guests or myself to actually be able to use the restroom appropriately. I don't know if you can see, that's not quite exactly at 1, so I think I need to switch it a little bit more. There you go. Hopefully that's at 1. And there's also other switches here. I think this is sensitivity, and I think this one is for the ambient light, which I didn't even know. I guess there's a light here that can possibly turn on so that it will allow the guests to see where they can push the button. So anyway, I'm gonna leave that at default. I didn't adjust that at all. As long as the light switch is on, I actually don't want my guests to touch this. All right, so if you have it the other way, oriented the other way, then this will be the leftmost dial to adjust the time. I have it this way, and it's the rightmost dial. And all you have to do is just set that and put this back on. Really pretty simple. I can't do it with one hand. There you go. All right, and then just put back the plate. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up so other people looking for this particular solution can find it. And if you like to purchase this particular motion sensor, it's been really good for my use. Please look at the link in the video description for you to buy this using my link. I will get a little bit of commission. Appreciate you supporting the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for other useful videos. Thank you.